This virus can affect anyone, whether you're President of the United States, a worker, a student, a service industry worker, small business owner, retiree, or an elected official. We need everyone together to take precautions to keep our neighbors and communities safe. It is simply not enough to only wear a mask. We need folks to take further action to help stop the spread of this virus and flatten the curve. Because here's the deal, folks, our hospital systems are not invulnerable either. Our healthcare systems are teetering. They're on the brink, and when there's no room at the inn, and that inn is your local hospital, that's a problem for everyone. Just this last weekend, more than 200 doctors in Brown County called on elected officials and individuals to do their part and help spread this virus, stating, quote, "To say that providing care to these patients is severely straining our local hospitals, healthcare workers, and health systems is a drastic understatement. There's no other way to say it. We are overwhelmed." Right now, the best way you can help support our frontline healthcare workers and providers is to stay home as much as possible. This not only helps stop the spread of the virus, reducing the number of hospitalizations, but it also protects our frontline healthcare workers, keeping them healthy and safe, so that they can continue to take care of our most vulnerable patients. So I want to thank the 200 healthcare providers I mentioned, as well as the public health leaders, especially those in the Fox Valley who have issued a public health emergency COVID-19 alert. Thank you for your efforts to protect our communities. We are encouraging public health leaders across the state to take those extra steps to keep Wisconsin communities safe during this dangerous time in the pandemic. But they can't do it alone, Wisconsin. We need everyone to think about their family members, friends, and neighbors, and to look around and see what carelessness and apathy can do. To see how one case can turn into 12 in the blink of an eye, how one dinner party or one wedding can lead to weeks of recovery, and how our economy, our communities, and our states go backward every time one person or group disregards public health measures. That's why today I directed Secretary-designee Palm to issue a limit on public gatherings in Wisconsin, with exceptions such as schools, child care centers, and healthcare and long-term care facilities, to name a few. Indoor public gatherings are limited to no more than 25% of total occupancy limits for the room or the building. Trust me, folks, I know we are all tired. We are all frustrated, and we just want to get back to our Wisconsin way of life. You and me both. But at the end of the day, whether we like it or not, we have to change the course of this virus, and that's going to take a united effort. We need to do this not just for our healthcare providers, but also for Wisconsin small businesses. The sooner we get this virus under control, the sooner we can get back to the activities we all enjoy. But we also have to make sure that our favorite small businesses, venues, and destinations are able to keep their doors open until we get there. That's why today we're also announcing that we are investing another $100 million in businesses and communities across our state. Our communities are in desperate need of additional federal support, but we can't wait a moment longer. Our investment includes over $50 million for WEDC's We're All In grants to help support more than 10,000 Wisconsin small businesses, $20 million for the Wisconsin lodging industry, $15 million for live music and performance venues, as well as additional support for movie theaters, nonprofit cultural venues, and the tourism industry. Wisconsin small businesses have been unbelievably creative, adapting to the challenges of the pandemic, but they are stretched to the limit. These funds will provide critical support, but in the meantime, we need everyone to change their behaviors and work together so that we can get back to some sort of normal for our kids, for our small business owners, for our workers, and of course, for each other. Stay home as much as you are able. Limit your travel to the essentials like work, school, and picking up groceries and prescriptions. Avoid any family gatherings, dinner parties with neighbors, weddings, and other events with folks outside your immediate household. This is one of those rare occasions where staying away is actually the best way to show just how much you care about your loved ones and your friends. You have to leave your house, whether it's to go to work, pick up the groceries, or get some fresh air. Wear a mask and keep your distance from anyone who is not a member of your immediate household. Wearing a mask, believe it or not, is not a political statement. It's a sign of basic decency and kindness for those around you. If you start to feel sick or unwell, get tested and isolate yourself from others until you get your test results. And last but not least, wash your hands frequently and disinfect commonly touched shared surfaces often. Now, I have faith in the power of Wisconsinites when we band together. And I know that if we focus on working together to flatten the curve and look out for the health and safety of our neighbors, we can get Wisconsin back on track to overcome this virus and bounce back stronger. And now I'll turn it over to DHS Secretary Designee Andrea Palm. Andrea?
Thank you, Governor. And thanks to everyone again for joining us today. I do want to start with the numbers today because, as Governor Evers just said, we are at a critical moment here in Wisconsin. There are now 136,379 confirmed cases of COVID-19 in Wisconsin, which is an increase of 2,020 cases over yesterday. Our 7-day average of new daily cases is 2,346, up from 836 1 month ago. We're seeing increased COVID-19 hospitalizations across the state, and every region is reporting current and imminent hospital staffing shortages in one or more of their facilities. Our total deaths have now reached 1,399 of our fellow Wisconsinites. We are in a crisis, and to get out of this crisis, we need to take action. Back in March, we all stayed safer at home to flatten the curve and protect our frontline healthcare workers, the healthcare system, and our public health infrastructure. Today, we are in a worse place than we were in March, and so we need to think like that again. Please stay home when possible and wear a mask when you go out. The unfortunate reality is this. The disease activity level of COVID-19 in Wisconsin is so high that going to a gathering puts you at very high risk of exposure. That is why, at the direction of the governor, I signed an order to limit indoor public gatherings today. We know gatherings are a key way this virus spreads, so we must act to limit indoor gatherings to stop the spread, reduce illness, and save lives. We've seen local and tribal health departments across our state release public health alerts to draw further attention to this crisis here in Wisconsin, and we encourage local leaders to respond by putting additional mitigation orders in place in your communities. And we'll need your help too. Every one of us can model safe practices within our own family, with our friends, and within our communities. Stay home, wear a mask, keep 6 feet apart, wash your hands, get your flu shot to help preserve our hospital capacity, get tested if you have symptoms or have been exposed to COVID-19, and answer the call from a contact tracer. This is a critical moment in the pandemic for us, and we each need to do our part to help stop the spread. Thank you.